Hey guys, Mr. G, good morning. Hope you are doing well on this Tuesday morning. Big day for us today, guys. You are going to be making a screencast in Flipgrid. Step 3 shows you how to do that. You're going to find it super easy, by the way, but I walk you through it in this video that's already in this category, Essential Technology. I also put directions where you turn it in that is super helpful too. So step 3 shows you how to use the tool. Step 4 will show you how to actually do it today. So after you do your QOD, you'll be ready to do that, and then your exit slip. Tomorrow we'll talk in greater detail, but just real quickly, for Zoom, we are doing our first Zoom tomorrow. So real quickly, just make sure tomorrow you want to be appropriate. It will be recorded. Use your first and last name when you sign in. Step 3 relates to that I use the waiting room, and I won't let you in without step 2 so I can identify who you are. You will be muted to start as a setting. You can unmute when I ask questions and answer, and obviously I'll ask to share and you'll unmute yourself. But if we're not using that wisely, I'll just mute you or boot you from the room. Shouldn't be a problem. I've been in some Zooms already, and they've all gone well, and some co-teaching I've done. Be on time. I will lock the meeting once we officially get started. So I'll have the schedule posted as part of today's QOD, so you'll see the schedule. It's the same that everybody else is using. Then you'll click the video on so we can see you. I want to see you. If you want to have a pet or something else that you wanted to share with the class on the first day, that would be welcomed. If not, think of some good news you can share. We could all use some positivity these days. So tomorrow, it shouldn't be a long meeting, but my hope is we can share and make it a positive experience for everybody. So I look forward to that. So let me just walk you through a couple of quick last things, and I'll let you get to it. Okay, so here in the classwork section, you'll see is the Flipgrid screencast. Notice this is in the Essential Tech Tools. It's only a 1-minute video. It'll show you how to do it. It's super helpful, so make sure you do watch that. And then when you come down to projects, Flipgrid screencast, you'll see there is the 1-minute video that shows a sample of how to do it. And then also you'll have your class link of how to get into where you need to go. You just click that and then you'll make your recording. So remember, this is a grade. This will go in Infinite Campus. I do need to see all 4. All the directions are there for you, so please do a great job, and you'll be able to see each other's work. And then I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow in the Zoom meeting. Have a great day, guys. Bye.